Dual Bay 2.5, 3.5 SATA hard drive, HDD, solid-state drive, SSD docking station. SuperSpeed USB 3.0 interface offers 10x faster performance, up to 5 gigabits per second. Standalone Drive Duplicator Dock, no need for PC connection. Supports 2.5 and 3.5 SATA I/2, 3 drives. Support up to 2 by 8 TB SATA HDD. Screw-less and easy-to-plug top-loading design, hot swap capability. Kingwin Power Dock is the perfect solution for managing your 2.5 or 3.5 inches HDD SSD. Our hard drive dock allows you to install and access 2x SATA drives quickly and easily. Power Dock is an ideal device for data recovery, drive imaging, testing centers, or any environment that requires fast, convenient access to data. After connecting Power Dock to your computer or laptop, you will be able to enjoy SuperSpeed USB 3.0 performance for a variety of tasks. Whether it's formatting your hard drive, file transfer, or data recovery, our dock will do it all. At speed of 5 GB/s with UASP protocol, you will be able to store and transfer files with ease. Top reviews from the United States. I was not able to use it on computer, but after replacing the USB cable that come with it, boom. I think USB 3.0 cable that come with it is no supported on every USB port and cloning is taking too much time.